Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little review on these awesome LED lights that are made for your tailgate. They're 60 inches long, 2 rows of LED lights that provide 4 different functions. It will provide brake light, reverse light, turn signal light, and running lights. If you would like more information on this awesome product or would like to know exactly where I bought mine from, then just check out the link I have in the description below. When you open up the box, this is what you get. You get the instructions, really easy to follow. It took roughly about 45 minutes to do the full installation. The trickiest part is the reverse light, but other than that, everything else is just plug and play into the wire harness. You also get some wet and dry wipes so you can clean off the surface of where the strip's going to go onto. It also comes with the screw-in mounting hardware, but it's not necessary. So looking at my Toyota Tundra, you can see that the actual space between the bumper and the tailgate is exactly where the LED strip will go. The very first step is to clean off that surface as best as possible and then measure out the center to see exactly where that 60-inch LED strip is going to fit perfectly at. The right side of my bumper is crooked, so I'm going to have to use a little crowbar and try to bend it into place. After you have mounted your LED strip to your desired area near your tailgate, then go ahead and remove one of your tail lights so you can gain access to the bulb that is for your reverse lighting. You're going to gain access to that wire so you can tap into that wire with your red wire that they provide in the kit. And what you want to do is you want to feed the LED strip wiring behind the bumper so you can feed it underneath to the taillight. After you're all done, you can plug it into your wire harness near your bumper. Here's how I have mine all set up. I basically just ran the wires behind the bumper and I insulated it with some tie wraps and some electrical tape and some plastic insulation, and you can see where I mounted everything at. And then this is what I was talking about before. That red wire is going to connect up to the tail light. This 60-inch tailgate light bar provides excellent lighting in the daytime as well as in the nighttime. It's also weatherproof, fully functional, provides nice running lights, reverse lights, turning lights, and brake lights. Most importantly, it's just plug and play, really easy to install. If you want to get yours today, just check out the link down in the description below. The best place to get it at is Amazon or eBay. Amazon will ship it faster, especially if you have Amazon Prime. You'll get it in about 2 days. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And as always, thank you all for watching.